how to render or export your video with high quality on Sony Vegas Pro tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to render your video with high quality, go here and choose Magix AVC AAC MP4 and go here. If your video 1080, choose it, and if it is 4K you need to choose 4K, but I need to choose 1080. I recommend you to choose the 60 FPS right here, the last 1080, and now click on customize template. All what you have to do here now is make sure that you have the same settings right here with me, as you can see, and after you finish, click render and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.